Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, sometimes your class teacher asks you to create a list of your class students along with their details. Suppose there are 50 students in your class and you have to make a list of all the 50 students. So it is a lot of work. That's look tough, but you can easily create this list in Microsoft Access. Students, do you know what is Microsoft Access? Today I am going to tell you about it. Students, Microsoft Access is a software that helps you to store records in electronic form. There is no risk of losing the data. Let me explain to you more about this software. First of all, I am telling you how can you open Microsoft Access on your PC. For that, in the step number 1, go to Start button and click on it. After that, go to Microsoft Office 2013. Select first option Access 2013. Then you will see that this type of screen it has appeared on your computer. Now you will see in the left hand side this pane where you will find this option open other files. If you have already saved any database in it, then you can just click on it, open folder files, and then open dialog box. It will appear in which you have to enter the file name which you have to open, but we have to create new one. So for that we will not be clicking on this option. Now just look in the right hand side here. Here you will find some templates. These are some available templates in this section. Here you have to select this second one, blank desktop database. Once you will click on the blank database icon, then here it will ask you to enter the file name. Here you can type the name of database. Here I am giving this file name students. After that there is create icon. Here you will click on it. Once you will click on the create icon, this interface, this screen, it will appear in front of you. Here in this screen, on the top, here you will find quick access toolbar. Under it, here you will find menu bar. Here so many tabs are there, like file. Once you will click on file tab, it will open file menu in front of you. So whichever the menu you want, just click on that particular tab. This is called ribbon, this one. Here where table 1 is written, this is table name. This blank area, this is known as work area. Under it, here in the bottom, you can see this bar is known as status bar. In the left hand side pane, this pane is known as navigation pane. So firstly, I have explained you different components of Microsoft Access window. Firstly, I am telling you about quick access toolbar, which is here. It gives you access to the options such as save, undo, redo. Next one, it is title bar. It displays the title of the database. Here it is displaying the title of this database, students. Next is ribbon. It shows the tabs and their options. Next one is navigation pane. It is located on the left side of the window. It displays the elements of a database such as tables, queries, forms, reports, etc. This is table name where table 1 is written. This is table name. It displays the name of the table. This is work area. This area is used to create different elements of a database. Next, here you will find status bar. It is located at the bottom of the window and it displays the view of the window. Here you can see. Now, I am telling you that how you can create a table in it. Tables are a set of rows and columns. A table is the primary element of Microsoft Access. You need to create tables to insert data. A database may have one or multiple tables. These tables can be used to generate forms, reports, queries, and relationships. So, first of all, I am telling you how can you create a table. You know that datasheet view is the default view in the Microsoft Access. You can easily create a table in this view. So let us create a table to store the records of students in the datasheet view. Here in this blank database, an ID column is there. Here is ID column with the auto number data type appears here. Now you have to double click on the ID column like this. Now here you have to type the required name of this column. I am firstly typing here roll number like this. Now you have to press enter key. Next you have to click the drop down arrow next to click to add column here. A drop down list showing data type appears as shown here. It is a list, drop down list, which is showing data types. Select the required data type. For example, if you are going to type the required name of student, then you have to select text, short text. And if you have to enter the roll numbers. Then you have to select which data type, number data type. So from here you have to select the data type. Now here you have to type student name. This is the another field name. Similarly, two more columns, grade and address, having number and text data types. Here you have to click to add option. Now you have to enter the grade. So for that, select this short text type. Here you have to give the grade. Now click on this, click to add. Here you have to select the text data type. Here you have to give name to this column, address. So in this way you have to create these columns. Now after creating a table, you need to save it. So when you want to save this table, then go to File tab, click on it. Now in the left pane, if you have already given the table name, you just click on Save option. Once you will click on Save option, then save as this box it will appear. Here in the table name box, you have to type the desired table name. Here you can type here students record. After that, click on OK button. In this way, the table name appears in the work area. You can see here the name of this table. It has been saved, students record. So in this way you can create a table. Now after creating this table, go to Create tab, click on it. In the second step, from the tables group, this is tables group, click the table design icon. As you will click on it, a table in the design view window, it will appear in front of you like this. Here you have to enter the field names, here data types, and here you can type the description about each field name. Now in the field name column, enter the required column name as I am entering here. First of all, we will type first field name roll number. Second, we will type student name. Next, we will type English From here we have to first select the text data type. After that, here next we will type another field name, English marks. Now here you will be selecting number data type, as we have to enter the marks in the numeric form. Now we will add here another column, field name, sorry, marks of maths subject, math marks. Here also we will select data type number. So in this way you have to enter all these field names and you have to select the data types according to the field names required by you. In the description column, this is description column, you have to enter the required description. As here you can enter student roll number. Same way, in the next description box you can write enter student name. So in this way you can add the description regarding the field name in this description box. So after entering the description like this, you can see that this student's marks table we have created. The student's marks table in the design view, it will appear like this. Now go to Home tab, click on it. The Home tab appears as shown here from the Views group. Now just look here, this is Views group. Click on the view icon, but before that you must first save the table. So click on yes, save this table by typing here table name students marks. This name you have to give, and after that click on OK button. Now click on the views icon. You will find these options here, datasheet view and design view. Now from here, first option you have to select datasheet view. Once you will click on it, you will find this datasheet view. The table appears in the datasheet view as shown here. Now click the field in which you want to insert data. Like here I am clicking. Firstly, I am entering the roll number 1. After that, press tab key. After typing the tab key or arrow key, you can move from one field to another. This is field 1 and this is field 2. So I have moved from here to here. Now here you can type the name of student. Here you can enter the English marks. In another field name, you can type the marks of maths. So in this way you can add the data, insert the data in your datasheet view. Next name I am entering here now. After entering the student name, enter here marks in English. Press tab key to move to the next field and insert here the maths marks. So in this way you can insert data in the table. So now data has been entered in the table. So today I have told you how you can firstly create a table in the design view. Then I have told you how you can add fields in a table. How can you save the table? How you can insert the data in a table only in the datasheet view. So students, for today only this much. I hope you have learned all the steps properly. Thank you so much.